Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another weekly vlog where I talk about anything and everything under the sun. If you are not yet subscribed to us, that's okay. We are the Bohemian Dreamers and we post travel and lifestyle videos every week which you don't wanna miss. So please subscribe and hit the bell icon and let's get started. Today I'll be talking about my September book wrap up and also the starting of #Booktober. Actually in September I was quite busy with my work life and kind of reading books had to take a second row in my priority list, which is sad because reading books is like a fresh pull of oxygen to me. Whatever, I mean even after all that I managed to read quite good books in this month and yeah, I will show them to you, give you a small review, and also I'm going to post the links of the books where you can buy it from in the description box below, so ensure to check them out if you want to buy them. I managed to read only 6 books this month and 5 of them are physical books and 1 is a Kindle book. So the Kindle book is the first one that I read. It is the Little Women. So it's actually an old read. I mean I have read the books several times earlier as well, but I just wanted to refresh my memories, so I read that again, which is why I merged this book with The Little Prince, which is also another one I read earlier. So yeah, the review of The Little Women, I actually put it up in my channel previously, so I'll put up the cards over here. Do check it out, it's very amazing. Both of these books have so many intellectual and wise thoughts, and every time I read them it's like I can learn something new, like something like a small life lesson that I might have forgotten in my day-to-day life, and suddenly I read the book and I again find it. If you know what I mean, please put a comment down in the comment box below. So this is the Kindle book for A Little Woman. Just check up the cards and you will realize that how amazing this book is. I will put up both the links of this Kindle ebook and also a physical paperback so that you can buy it online if you want to. The third book that I read this month is Rich Dad Poor Dad. So this is one amazing book for finance beginners. If you are not sure how to manage your money and where your money is going each month, and if you want to end up with some more money than you have right now, this is the starting book for you all. The fourth book is Circe, and this is one amazing one. So I have another review I have put up about this one and I'll put up in the cards over here. Do check it out. This is a pretty good one. So this tells about Circe the witch, and this is probably, not probably, this is the only one Greek mythological book that does not glorify the heroes, and I actually like it for that reason. The fifth one this month was A Daughter from the Wishing Tree by Sudha Murty. First of all, look at this cover. Like I fell in love with this book by looking at this cover. This is so amazing and so Instagram worthy, right? So this is pretty amazing because Sudha Murty in this book tells about all the Indian mythological women whom we might have ignored or whom the stories might have ignored. This is a very good read for young kids and the younger generation, so that they might get a flavor of Indian mythology as well, which is pretty spicy and flavorful, I would say. So do give it a try. Another thing I like in this book is that actually all the women and men in this book are shown as very beautiful. So yeah, it might sound weird, but it took time for me to understand as well. So they were all beautiful despite their scars and whatever the society might have labeled them as. So despite everything they were beautiful, and yeah, that's what that matters, because beauty, your beauty lies in your heart. The last one that I completed in September is In the House in the Dark of the Woods. So this book I got from the Big Book Box, and it is a hardcover pocket book sort of book, and the story is pretty epic. I am personally a lover of dark psychological thrillers, and this book provides them in a midst of woods, like just this is so dreamy, like you are getting the flavor of the woods. When you are reading, you can imagine the smell of the woods and the small heart that might reside inside the woods, and then the supernatural characters that are inside this book. So this book is so flavorful with everything, like you get psychological horror, you get dark thriller, and you get misty wood and also some supernatural stuff. So this book is pretty spicy, I would say that I liked it. I have already started my Booktober reading A Long Petal of the Sea. So this was also provided to me by the Big Book box in their anniversary box, and I have received like 5 books from them, and I have shown the unboxing, and I will keep up the cards over here so that you can see. And also again I want to give the shout out to Needle Maid because she provided me with these headbands, and look how cute is that. As soon as I finish the Long Petal of the Sea, I will put up the review, and so that you guys know that how beautiful it is. So far I have read like 100 pages of this book, and it is very touchy one. It talks about the Civil War, and I don't want to spoil anything more for you. So let me know in the comment section below if you are also a book lover, and what are the books that you have enjoyed reading so far, especially in September, so that we can talk about that. I love talking about books, and yeah, you can follow me in my social media accounts where we can chat up with this stuff. Let's meet in another video. Until then, keep dreaming. Bye.